Hello, hi guys, welcome to DNA Education. Now we are going to discuss bisection method. Okay, as in last video we have also explained bisection method, but some people didn't understand, so that's why I'm making once again the method solving the problem. Okay, at first, whenever we are going to find approximate root of any equation using bisection method, we should have to take two numbers manually, just like a 0 1 1 2. After that, we have to know, at first we have to find the sign where changes. Okay, it means negative to positive or positive to negative. The root changes its sign from negative to positive or positive to negative. So let's just take one example. Find the solution of y is equal to x square plus twice x minus 2 by using bisection method. Okay, so whenever we are going to solve this expression by using bisection method, first we should have to know what we have to do. At first you should have to write given equation as it is, that x square plus twice x minus 2 is equal to 0. That's equation number 1. Manually we have to put 0 1 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 number, and after that this 1 2 3 4 numbers were inserting in this equation. After finding f of x or f of y, at that time we will know the sign where changes from positive to negative or negative to positive. So just put x is equal to 1 in equation number 1, so we get f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus twice into 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So the answer f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this is a positive sign. Okay, now for second, now we will insert here x is equal to 0. Then in equation 1, then we get f of 0 is equal to f 0 whole square plus 2 into 0 minus 2 is equal to 0. So after doing this calculation we will get minus 2. So you can see here, if f of 1 is equal to 1 and f of 0 is equal to minus 2, the sign changes from positive to negative. It's positive sign and it's negative sign, so our root can be lies in between 1 or 0. Okay, so here we can write as it is. Take our sign changes from positive to negative. Our sign get changes from positive to negative, so root lies in between 1 and 0. Okay, 1 and 0. This is our root. Okay, now we have to draw a table. Okay, this procedure we should have to follow continuously. So now we have to make a table in which we are going to find iterations that will be asked in exam. Okay, just we first take value of x1, then again x2, then h, f of x1, then f of x2 and f of h. Okay, so as in last video we have discussed how to find h, or formula for bisection method. That is, if you want to find h, you should have to know x1 plus x2 upon 2. This is your h. Okay, after that, now our first root, that is 1, when we have insert 1 in given equation, at that time we have received one f of x1 is 1.0000. Okay, and when we have inserted here 0, at that time we receive minus 2.000. Okay, and if we want to find h, then we should have to take x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is 1 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0.5. Okay, this 0.5 we should have to insert in our equation number 1. If we are inserting in equation 1, then we receive 0.7500. Okay, then this is minus sign here, f of h will be minus 0.7500. So minus sign is here, we get minus 0.7500. so we should have to take this minus side this side, because this is the column we have taken as a minus, so we can take here 0.7500. okay, then this value we have find here, then again we should have to take minus 2, this is also minus column, so we will transfer here 0.5, that is 0.5 as it is, and also we will take here 1 as it is. So when we have inserting 1, so our f of x1 will be 1.000. okay, and then now we have to find h. So h is nothing but 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2, so 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2. This calculation we should have to do on calci, because I already done this calculation. When you are going to do this expression or solve this problem, you should have to use calci, scientific calculator you should have to use compulsory. That is, now we are finding h. 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75. okay, this is our h, and now we have to find f of h. Then we should have to insert f of only h in equation 1 as a x, so we will get 0.625. okay, 0.625 we will get. This is positive sign, as you consider this is positive sign, so this part, this number we will take in positive column, that is 0.625, and here the f of h, so we will take this h at positive column, that is here, where 0.75. okay, I think you understand. If here is a positive sign, you should have to insert it on positive side. okay, if f of h is minus, then you should have to insert in f of x2, because this is our minus or negative values, or this is our plus values, positive. okay, so we have inserted here. Then again, now we should have to take 0.75. okay, that 0.75 as 0.5 as it is, because sign doesn't changes here, so we have to find now h, that is 0.75 plus 0.5, that will be divided by 2, that is 0.625. okay, now we should have to find f of 2, that is 0.5 will be minus 0.7500. this can follow continuously negative sign, this will follow positive sign. So now we have to find f of h. You should have to insert this value in equation 1. okay, when you are going to insert this value in equation 1, you will get, that is minus 0.3593. okay, this is again negative sign, so we have to take this negative sign at this side, that it will go to here, that is 0.3593. okay, we have inserted here negative sign. Then we should have to again take f of x2, this value will be also transfer here. we can transfer here. Okay, so it will take 0.625 and 0.75 will be as it is. Now we have to find h, then 0.75 plus 0.625 divided by 2 is equal to, we get 0.6875. Okay, after that we have to find f of x1, that will be 0.75, that is 0. Here is also 0.0625 is here is a value of 0.0625. Okay, now we have to find f of h. Okay, now we have to find f of h, then the value of this f of h, only h, we will put in a equation number 1, then we will get 0.1523. Okay, again this value is negative, so we will take it at negative side, 1523. Okay, after that this is negative value, so our 0.75 will be stay as it is. 0.75 will be stay as it is. Then now we have find f of x2, then our f of x2 will be, we have taken it at negative side, so our f of x2 will be 0.6875, because this is the value of f of h. So we will just transfer this f of h at this side, because we have received here negative sign. If we have received in positive sign, then we will take it into x1. Okay, now 0.6875. So we have transferred this 75 at this side, then we have to find 0.75 plus 0.6875 divided by 2, then we will get 0.7187. okay, this is our h, and our f of x1 will be 0.625, because we have already finded it, 0.0625. Again we have to find f of h. Similarly, if you want to find f of h, we have to put h instead of x in equation 1, then we will get, when we are finding this value, then we will get minus 0.0460. okay, this is again, this value is again negative, so once again we will insert it at negative side, then it is take here, then the value of this value, that is 0.7187, we will transfer at this side, 0.7187. okay, then this positive sign will be this 0.75 will be carry on, and again we have to find h, so we will find f of h is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, then 0.75 plus 0.7187 divided by 2, then we will get 0.7343. okay, now and the value of then the value of f of x1 will be as it is, because x1 is 0.75 and these signs are following positive sign. okay, after that 0.625 we have find it, then again we have to put this h in equation 1, so you can easily find out this 0.0077. okay, again this sign will be positive, so we have to take this value in positive column, that is 0.0077. okay, if we have taking here 0.77, so this h value will be here, it can be transferred to the x1 column, that is 0.7343. okay, then we have to carry this negative sign as it is, because we have taken positive sign first, 460 it this side, then again f of x2 will be 0.7187. okay, then we have to find h, that is 0.7343 plus 0.7187 divided by 2. if we do these calculations, if we do this calculation, then we will receive 0.7265, and this value we have to insert in equation 1, then we will get that 0.0191. This is again positive value, so we will again, this is positive value, so we will take it at positive 0.0191. if this is here, then the value of h will be transferred to the x1, that is 0.7265. okay, you can check, it will be nearly about increasing, these values are increasing order, so we are going near to the approximate root. Okay, now this value we have taken to this side. Now we have to find f of x2, and f of x2 has negative sign, x2 has negative sign. We will take it as it is because it doesn't change its original sign, so we will write it as it is. Then we have to find h. I think you know right now how to find h. You should have to find x1 plus x2 divided by 2. If you find by this, you will get 0.7, it's 0.7187. you will get 7.265. again, this value is taken to here, 0.265. okay, then we will get here 0.7304. okay, 0.7304, and then our value will be minus 0.0057. this calculation we should have to do up to here. We will get 0.7321, and here we will get minus 0.000, again 1. Here also you will get 0.001. here you will take 0.7323, that is here is 0.7320, 0.7320. as you see, the values are repeated it at side. okay, just a minute. 0.7320, we have directly writing the answers because we have already find it. So the final answer is our 0.001 minus 0.0001 minus 0.001. actually these values are continuing itself. If I again find this value, it will repeat its value. So our approximate root is 0.7320. okay, this is our approximate root, 0.7320, because this value, the value of f of h will be continuously repeating itself. So that's why our f of only h will be this 0.7320. hence while writing the answer, you should have to write the solution of given equation is 0.7320. okay, now firstly you should have to know the value of f of x1, then you should have to put x1 in equation 1, then you will get f of x1. then you have to find x2, that is 0. you should have to take this value manually first. okay, after the sign changes from negative to positive or positive to negative, at that time you will get perfect two values. That two values you should have to put in equation one by one, and you will just follow the procedure. okay, after following, you will get this answer. This is your final answer. okay, now actually I want to give you some example for practicing. okay, this is the equation. f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the approximate root of this equation using bisection method up to 3 iterations. okay, and the final answer will be 1.3246. Okay, just solve guys this question. Okay, if you didn't get this question, I will solve it once again. And another expression for bisection method is x sine x plus cos of x. Okay, this is another example to you to solve this using bisection method. Bisection method. Okay, and the final answer of this equation also 2.7979. The root lies in between. The approximate root of this equation is 2.7979, and the approximate root of this equation x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is 1.3246. Hope guys, I think you understand. Okay, if you have any query about this bisection method, so you can ask me. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe. If you like this video, please share to needful person. Okay, it means you can do something help to your friends. Okay, thank you.